Hindi naman sila yung hindi ka tatamaan. Tatamaan ka talaga. Tatamaan ka talaga. Tatamaan ka talaga.
Hey, what's up sa inyo mga kamay? Ako nga pala si Kyron at gagawa na ulit kami ng aming content dahil ilang araw din tayong hindi nakagawa.
Mga 4 na araw din yata.
4 na araw. Naputula kasi kami ng kuryente tapos kasakit pa ako tapos napilay-pilay pa. Ayop na yan. So may nga pala Anting Burog at syempre may special guest kami. Si Nongpay. Kailan dito na si Nongpay oh. Nalala kami ng mga kung ano na. Bago pala kami magsimula, shoutout nga pala sa aking classmate, si Dennis Murata. Tol, shoutout sa iyo tol. At ngayon lang kami nakagawa. At yun, pang-4 na yata natin to, no? Pang-4. Kasi yung pangatlo namin, sa Facebook page lang namin na-upload kasi naka-copyright sa YouTube eh. Kina-copyright ni Jessica Sohoy. Pero pang-4 na to. May shoutout ba kayo? Wala na. Si Nyorski, si Yoshi, at si Nongpay, ang aming special guest. 100 men versus 1 gorilla. Wala shoutout? Oh, Sam.
Wala eh. Napangalan ng upload eh. Guys, wala pa na ng upload.
Nong, baka may masabi ka nung?
Wala naman.
Wala, ganda na nasabi niya. Okay, manood kami ng mga ano ngayon. Yung mga malulupit sa mga paipaglaban. Game. Naroon natin to ha.
Fake martial arts masters can range from hilarious as they're demonstrating their out-of-this-world imaginary martial arts techniques to scary as their actions may lead to dangerous, real-life consequences. In this video, you'll learn about the
lakas nyo ng boss nyo, wala tayong microphone eh.
6 worst fake martial arts masters of all time, starting from the most hilarious ones and gradually progressing to the scary ones. Number 6. I can't but laugh every time I see Ashida Kim's ninja technique demonstration. A self-proclaimed ninjutsu master on his website, Ashida Kim lists possessing skills that none of his critics can duplicate, such as the Kata Dante dance with the deadly hands,
Lagi matindi pala to, no?
Anti-9 hits, no?
the ninja imitation flying without wings, and the iron fist of the ninja hand into the steel trap. Not only DVDs, he also wrote countless ninja
Lagi may bayad sila. Ayun o.
Ituturo sa kanila.
Oo, may bayad.
Yung mga ginagawa nila.
Ayun sila may mga
binibenta silang ano.
Ano yun? Magpapaturo ka sa babayaran mo sila, no?
Parang bibili mo yun siguro yung libro. May libro din sila. Ayan o, okay.
Hindi, parang mag-enroll ka, no?
Tapos yan ang libro nila.
Ay, natuturo sa'yo, mga ganon.
Oo.
Babayaran mo. Send sa'yo yan.
23, euro.
Tingnan mo ko.
Eh, di ko nga ano yung pinakamahal, yun yung pinakamatindi.
Parang di rin.
Ganon. Iba-iba yung presyo.
Siyempre, iba-iba rin naman yung technique mo.
In multiple languages, and even expanded into writing fictional novels featuring himself as the main protagonist, such as his classic The Amorous Adventures of Ashida Kim, where as a secret ninja spy, he's romantically involved with multiple women, and where Mr. Kim must prove himself through ritual whorehouse combat. On top of it all, Ashida Kim also has a statement on his website that he's accepting challenge fight as a professional fighter for a fee of $10,000, and lists a number of detailed conditions you have to meet if you want to fight him. With all of these amazing achievements, Ashida Kim easily makes the top place as the unintentionally most hilarious fake martial arts master of all time. Number 5. Georgie Tillman's story begins as a confusing one, as early in his martial arts career, he associated himself with known and respected martial arts figures such as Bruce Lee and Muhammad Ali. But in later days, he's shown that hanging out with great martial artists doesn't necessarily make you one. Not only
Tinukay.
Nowadays, he's shown that hanging out with great martial artists doesn't necessarily make you one. Not only does Dillman claim to teach pressure points which never been proven to work, no, from away, to the face. His most hilarious downfall came during a National Geographic documentary where Zillman claimed to teach no-touch knockouts, a martial art technique that affects another person in distance without physical. As the National Geographic team documented his no-touch class, many of his students seemed to be able to replicate this technique amongst themselves. But as soon as the scientists stepped in to experience the no-touch effects firsthand, which were by the way not done by George Dillman himself, likely to
Pero paano yun? Yung mga ano, no? Hindi, ano na yun eh. Parang nen na yung ginagamit nila. Aura na eh. Hindi na hinahawakan eh.
Subukan nga natin dito ngayon.
Hindi ka nga master.
Hindi ka nga master.
Malay nga natin yun.
Kailangan master muna.
Hindi nga eh.
Master lang nakagawa niyan eh.
Master mo nga yung sarili mo. Paano yun eh. Gaganon ko nga rin eh. Bakit ka hindi ko mag-aaral to?
Ano ka eh? Herbalist master.
Full master nga eh.
Ciao! Sa'yo.
Sa'yo, pagka gano'n sa'yo na.
Wow,
Tayo naman matindi, ano,
magaling
no?
kagaya kay Gon, no?
Tinuka sa baba.
Gaganon.
Oo.
Pero naniniwala kayo doon sa mga nin?
Ay yung
Sa
sa ano, ang tingin ko kasi doon, yung ano, yung parang, di ba, nag-exercise ka, tapos mainit yung katawan mo. Ay, tingin ko yung kasi yun, yung parang gano'n eh. Tapos di ba, pag nag-relax ka, pinakapahinga mo, parang umaayos yung parang naman, hindi ka na nagpapawis, hindi ka na ano, di ba?
Pero sa mga ano daw, ginagamit daw yun eh, sa mga Shaolin. Yung tawag doon yun.
Kasi ano naman kasi sa mga monk, ano naman talaga yun, yung talagang
Oo,
Mga
nga.
iron training. Talagang training talaga yun.
Pero yun, totoo yun.
Oo,
Hindi
di
mo
mo
talaga yun.
Pero hindi naman sila yung hindi ka tatamaan. Tatamaan ka talaga. Tatamaan ka talaga. Tatamaan ka talaga. Eh yan, hindi naman tinatamaan. Parang mga ano lang
Hindi
yan
nga
eh.
pakita kasi nila, di ba yung mga nakagano yung ulo nila.
Parang abumenta sila.
Isang talaga yun. Iba talaga yun. Iba talaga yung training nun.
Iba yung training nila kasi.
Tsaka may dasal talaga sa kanila, no?
Pero
Tsaka
kung
iba
iba
disiplina.
yung
nun, eh.
lalabanan mo sila, tatamaan mo rin
Eh di pwede mo rin palang i-
Kasi ang napanood ako ng Shaolin. Lumaban siya sa ano eh, MMA. Talagang nakikita.
Nanalo
Oo, nanalo talaga siya, tournament.
Ito talaga tunay. Eh ito, pag ito, sinali sa tournament ng mga to, sa labanan.
Pero yan, basag-basag, isang suntok na ng MMA fighter, bagsak eh.
Oo, mga ganito, no? Kasi naluloko na
Mga
lang ito,
master
no?
daw, mga master daw sila eh. May hinamon silang MMA, tas siguro ilang segundo, pagsapak tulog eh.
Wala na, no? Hindi naman.
Panay pa yakap-yakap ng gano'n,
Tapos
pag gano'n.
yung pag kontra nila, di ba? Hindi nila alam kung saan natawa ay suntok.
Pag tama na suntok, tulog eh.
Ikaw nyo, ano sa akin ko doon yun? Tangan, dami na pinayawag. Okay ka lang, eh.
Avoid potential failure and complete humiliation in the case of failing. The technique? Did not work. Number 4. No fake martial arts masters list would be complete without John Timothy Keegan, who later went by Count Juan Rafael Dante, or simply as Count Dante. While seemingly a capable karateka at first, Count Dante even hosted many tournaments during the 1960s, where he paired practitioners of different styles against each other. Keegan even grew disillusioned with conventional karate instructions focused on ceremony, tradition, and protocol over what he felt to be effectiveness, and began developing his own style that he would promote as street effective, something that seems a respectable path in martial arts. But the hilarity begins when Count Dante creates his own style, which is referred to by local names.
Pakalmot ang
Marami ka lang ng pusa yan.
Makabagal eh, no? Eh, syempre, kung siya yung ano, karapat, ano gagawa mo?
kalmot.
Pati nga kami yung burog ko.
Yung burog ko.
Nagagawin yung mga technique kasi.
Dante system, dance of death, or sometimes the kata Dante, whereby learning all of these steps of ending science of death, you would thereby become an effective fighting master.
Parang ano eh, sobrang cute mo.
As the deadliest man alive. A brilliant marketing move at the time, if you ask me, and claiming that he participated in secret death matches in Thailand and China, that led to a
Ito talaga tunay, no? Si Bruce Lee. Hindi lang sa pelikula yung si Bruce Lee talaga eh, no? Sa totoong buhay talaga siya ganyan eh, no?
reminding us that
Maniniwala ka
being a
talaga
fake
kasi
martial
sa
arts master is
1 inch punch na sinalo
Oo.
sila sa...
Hindi, ginawa niya sa totoong buhay yun eh.
Ginawa niya talaga. May video nga siya.
Saka may ano kasi...
Video nga siya.
Saka may ano kasi... May kasama kasi puwersa eh.
At saka bago siya ng artista, ganyan talaga siya, di ba?
Artist talaga siya.
Yun nga, doon nga ginawa yung movie niya dahil sa ano niya, sa
Talagang
totoong buhay na talaga.
talagang tagahanga kasi.
Asa tingin mo, ano kayo namatay ni Bruce Lee?
Ako nagtatak.
Hindi ko masyadong ano kung...
Na ano daw yun eh, na overdose daw yun eh. Sa droga.
Sa drugs.
Mm. Sabi daw naman napakinggan.
Ako di ko kasi alam kung ano nangyari yung Bruce Lee talaga. Alam ko, wala na si Bruce Lee yun. Gano'n. Pero yung history
Bata
na,
pa yun.
Yung history na kinamatay niyan.
O bata pa siya namatay, parang 20 pa lang siya plus eh, no? O 30 na rin, mga
40 na siguro.
Hindi naman. Mga 30
Ikaw yung kukumpara niyo siya kay ano, kay Jet Li. Tingnan mo,
Hindi, Bruce Lee pa rin ako.
Bruce Lee ka pa rin.
Jet Li kasi movie talaga kay Jet Li, no? Movie lang yun eh. Si Bruce Lee kasi totoong buhay talaga eh.
Pero sa
Mga
Top Boys
ginagano.
no?
Ginagano sa mukha.
May ano yan si Bruce Lee, si Ip Man. Ano niya yun eh, parang student na tawag si Ip Man.
Master niya.
Ano niya, apprentice niya. Apprentice niya si ano,
Si Ip Man.
siya ang master.
Si Bruce Lee.
Ay, nakapag ano pala siya, no?
Ulag sila.
Hindi nakagawa pala siya ng bunga niya, no?
Tapos sikat na ano na rin, na martial artist. Si Ip Man.
Ikaw niya, marami kong alam sa mga ganun din. Ito kayong alam mo. Ano ka talaga lang. Ano ka, dito lapid kasi kay Junior eh. Yung bala na hinahati ng kutsilyo eh. Yung mga gusto ni Junior eh.
Times going too far. Number 3. A former DEA agent, now best known for his Law vs. Sword video, who turns out to have a fascinating biography, starting with the fact that he was removed from the DEA for breaking a number of DEA rules, such as operating vehicles he was not allowed to use, or taking firearms on site illegally to use them to teach firearm safety. Jeff happens to also be a 15th degree Bujinkan black belt, a ninjutsu-based martial art created by Masaki Hatsumi, a Japanese gentleman who in his later years rocked purple hair, and where one of the final tests for a black belt exam is to kneel with your eyes closed, expecting a wooden sword strike from behind you, and moving out of the way as soon as you intuitively feel the sword coming. A test that doesn't always end well. Yet where Jeff's story turns
Tangina, pinatok ko kanina.
Batag yung bungo eh. Kaya
Yan
kanila
yung talaga parang ano yun, observation hacking naman
Oo,
talaga.
observation naman yun.
Kanila yung isa eh. Umilag ka agad eh.
Kasi hindi mo nakikita yung mga pakiramdaman talaga eh.
Kumbaga, kailangan maramdaman mo na papalul ka sa ulo.
Diba si Luffy na eh, si Luffy na siya rin.
Payag ka, apprentice ka nun.
Alin?
Apprentice ka ng master na yun,
Tapos
payag
ako
ka.
yung papalo-palo.
Oo. Hindi kayo papalo-paluin niya. Yoshi, ina mo ka. Hindi ko gumalaw.
Ilagan mo.
Hindi, bayad dyan sigurado, no?
Pero mga ano niya yun eh.
Dyan niya yan eh. Kasi tayo na, papayag ka ba ng mukhang tanga ka dyan, wala kang bayad?
Yung ipinalo sa kanya, bukin, ang tigas ka. Diba? Kung practice yan eh.
scary one isn't
Ayun no, pinagtutulong-tulungan na silang tatlo.
Tsaka nag-practice.
Ayun no, ayun mo, parang naglalaro lang sila yun, no? Parang dancer, mga may moves na dancer.
two cases, he sexually abused two women.
Ayun, tinan mo.
Then in order to fix their sexual
Apat yan.
husbands, they had to go through a sexual healing
Puta, parang Dr. Kwak-Kwak eh, no?
He had sex with them. Both cases were later classified as rape. Some crazy examples that remind us that Diego Sanchez. But things turned sour when a training video was released where Fabian Sanchez hanging by a bar and straight up hitting in the head. A training method that has zero real-life application and is simply dangerous. But that was not the first instance of Fabian's crazy behavior. In an earlier case, he was reported to pull out a real knife during a training exercise and chasing his students around a ring with it. An improvised but dangerous and crazy. Number 1. Initially, James Heidrich's case seems like a cautionary tale in believing the supernatural without taking a closer look. For a period in time, he was considered one of the world's greatest big-time TV shows, in which he was demonstrating feats such as turning the pages, touching them, and making pencils spin around on desks, leading to many believers and a national cult following.
Magician yata ito, hindi mo to master eh.
When they both appeared on television, where Heydrich was supposed to prove his power. Randy placed foam peanuts on the table around the phone book to show Heydrich was actually turning the pages by simply blowing on them. As Heydrich attempted to turn the pages, his powers suddenly failed him. He claimed that the stage lights were causing the foam pieces to generate a static electric charge, which prevented him from using his powers. But in reality, it was just
Sabi niya may bakal ata yung ano.
the scary part of Heydrich's story comes from his martial arts career. Using his fame, he created a
Nilagay yung matanda doon, papel yan eh. Parang mga styrofoam na, para malaman niya kung hinisipa mo yun, parang mag-ibat yung page. Diba? Parang, kasi sasabihin niya pa wala electric charge daw, hindi yun eh. Kaya siyempre ano yun.
Hihiling ka?
Hihilipan yun.
Tino mo, di ba? Kaya hindi gumanon yung ano yung page, gawa nga
Tama,
makikita doon eh.
Maganda yung paliwanag ni
Ini-expose niya
Yoshi.
yung matanda na yun, ini-expose niya yung ano.
Mahusay yung ano mo, observation.
Maganda ang observation mo, Yoshi. Siguro ginagawa mo dati yun. Di ba maraming mga bataan to dati si ano?
Tsaka magaling
Di
umikot
ba?
yun.
Dati, natatanda ko kasi meron pa akong dali yung baraha. Umulutang yung baraha.
Ano ginagawa mo?
Hindi kasi nila alam, may sombrero, so tapos meron yung parang maliit na baboy doon dyan.
Oo.
Tapos meron yung maliit na string, nakasabit na yun dyan. Pag-ikot yung bara, yan. Siyempre makakaakit
Sana
ka.
peg master ka din pala dati. Nanyo no?
Kaya nga, nagpit na tayo dyan.
Matatapos tayo doon, bilis na ito.
martial arts school, which at a certain period of time had a whopping 2,000 students. During these classes, Hydra claimed he could pass on the different psychokinesis to children through special training techniques, which in 1989 was shown to be a front for his coercing children into performing sexual favors for him. Eventually, Heidik was sentenced to 17 years for molesting
nakulong pala
5
siya eh.
boys. Yet again, showing
No,
the
nung
same
molesta
kind
pala
of
siya ng mga
big
bata eh.
masters can use their power in
Right,
the most
estudyante
horrible
niya, no?
ways.
Oo.
If you want to see how I exposed a whole
Ay, yung fake master naka-blue.
Starting out with a Tai Chi master who falls on his first kick attempt, which doesn't give him a lot of confidence.
Pinasasing pa niya eh.
Hinapin lang eh.
Tatawa na tuloy siya.
Hindi mo rin lumaban, no?
At least this guy is trying to keep his hands up to his face, but he still bites on many of the punches coming in, moving his hands and making himself completely uncovered.
Sumabit na sa yung paa niya, no?
Also, at the end, he had his hands too far in front and not on the side of his head, which was his downfall. Here we have a Tai Chi master that thought he was good enough to challenge a Muay Thai practitioner.
Tayo naman.
Oh, may glove to.
Scorpion yata eh.
The funny thing about this guy is that he bites on every punch or kick trying to catch it, but he always guesses the direction wrong, which is why you never do that.
Nakamakita pa siya.
Ano yan?
Nakamak daw. Nakamak daw. Nakamak daw.
Ano tawag doon?
McDonald's style.
Hindi, mali mo dun siya, ano?
Tingnan mo pati yun. Kabagsak niya.
Sinalo niya lahat. Hindi pa eh.
Tingnan mo pagkakabagsak niya, no? Sakto yung
Dati natin,
pagkakabagsak niya.
natin si Macdo. Bagsak siya yun. Oo.
Pasampal.
Oo.
Okay, now here's the
Sa tingin mo, ganyan, halimbawa, lumaban na yung master nila. Sa tingin mo, mauubos na estudyante niyan?
Oo, siyempre. Kasi tinuturo kami.
Pero kasi pag-iisipin mo, parang alam na din ng mga estudyante niya, eh, no?
Hindi,
Wala
siyempre,
naman
parang
talaga.
ano, sila naman yung makakaisip na
Siguro yung mga bagong enroll.
bago.
Yung mga bagong enroll lang, wala naman pala to.
Sa amin sa kasi
Wala.
kung gagamitin nila yung style na minsan sa away, di ba? Hindi mo rin
Hindi naman
ano eh.
magagamit nila eh.
Hindi rin naman yung magagamit ng maayos.
Sa totoo talaga.
talaga.
Kasi iba talaga yung totoong away sa kalsada talaga. Iba talaga.
Kaya pinakamagandang sports talaga na ano para sa akin, boxing.
Boxing talaga.
Yun talaga para sa akin.
Ay, yung ginagawa niya, tingin mo ano yun.
Makmo.
Bakto style din eh.
Makmo. Paano dyan? Paano dyan?
Ano yan, saluhin lahat ng suntok at saka sipa.
Yung mga parang ipodrip mo ako. Parang ganun, ipodrip mo ako, no? O, sige. Kahit isa pa, mahaba na video natin
Muay Thai
eh.
guy, he actually does a pretty good job of blocking, but mostly because he
Bugbog
doesn't
talaga siya, yun.
to his face.
Muay Thai yan eh.
Then he bites again on the kick and gets
Last.
Sabi mo na yung ulo.
Nasulog talaga, oh.
The guy in black is apparently a Wing Chun master, per the video description.
Wing
He's
Chun.
taking on another Muay Thai guy who was able to knock him out in only 74 seconds. So he does last a lot more than a lot of the so-called masters on this list, and he actually got some good hits in. But that's because the Muay Thai guy was a little bit too anxious. He just wanted to end the fight fast. But after getting hit, he started to take it more serious. and started cutting him down with knees and kicks until he knocked him out.
Tumasik yung mga bibig mo.
Iba yung training ng Muay Thai, yung pinapatigas dun, mga ganito. Ito,
Awa.
yan, MMA
So
talaga
this is
yan.
one of the videos we have seen on my other videos. I'm not going to this list because it's so good.
Oh,
Shu
pakwan lang pala
Xiaodong
mga
is an
natin.
MMA fighter here who takes down the Tai Chi master Wei Lei in just 10 seconds. Again, we have a master who keeps his hands so far away from his face, which one, doesn't let you block or deflect any punches, but you also can't get any power into the punches. Like he appears to get a punch in right here, but it has no power, so it has no effect, and he got taken down.
Talaga, hindi talaga ubre mga ganyan.
Oo.
Here we have a TI master, Ryokin Yanagi, who offered $5,000 challenge that he could beat Tsuyoshi Iwakura in a
Yoshi daw.
Kahit kurang na talaga.
Nananampal gago. Oh.
Pero kaya bumalan, sino ba bang
Nobody came here to disprove his qualifications. He himself wanted to show that his no-touch knockouts were actually legitimate. He was so
Hindi may
confident.
pustahan eh.
Why? Well, this is a video of his students playing along with him. Idiots. He has to be paying them to play along, right? There's no way that they
Ang dami oh.
that stupid just to stroke this
Malupit, ang dami oh.
Ayun siya, ayun siya.
Oh.
Well, regardless, he got beat pretty badly.
Ay, no,
Dahil dyan, kaya lumabalik siya kasi nangyari.
Ayun yun.
Pwede talaga.
Ayun yun.
So, ayun na lang yung video namin kasi alam ko masyadong mahaba na to eh. Pinakita lang din natin yung yung mga lumaban talaga ng mga fake master. So, tingin mo Nyor, mag-enroll ka sa ganun.
Pwede.
Ano, bugbog ka sa mga pag nag-enroll ka dun.
Babulihin ka ng
Pag lumaba ka
baka.
ng tunay.
Sino bibili mo tong master mo dun? Sa mga lumaban kayo, kay Macdo, no?
Di ba?
Bakdos tayo, no?
Ayun na. Yeah, doon talaga natin makikita guys na na iba talaga yung mga nagpapanggap lang talaga sa mga tunay talaga na Kaya pero sa ngayon wala na naman yata mga fake master ngayon Dati pa siguro to
Dating
eh.
mga ano pa yun.
No? Pero ngayon dahil sa lawak na ng internet wala nang mga ganyan ngayon.
Oo.
Siyempre, kaya ginanyan, sinira na talaga sila na huwag na kayo magpaalag yan.
Oo.
Kasi hindi naman maling information.
Pinatulan na talaga sila eh, no?
Oo, kaya
Kasi-
sige nga, kung totoo yan, tara dito.
Kawawa naman yung mga magiging estudyante nila, wala naman
Oo.
matututunan.
Tsaka sayang yung binabayad sa kanila. Kaya kung baga, isang bayaran na lang. Pakita mo nga sana, totoo na yan, parang gano'n.
Wala ka
Hindi
nang
lang kanila,
patuloy
di ba?
ngayon.
Lalo na yung McDo, di ba?
Si Macdo, ikaw si Macdo.
Ilang beses pumulag na si McDo, di ba?
Basta namang try natin, sumalulat ang suntok ko sa kasipa.
Kawawa eh.
McDo kasi.
Baka meron pa kayong babatiin. Hindi nagpapashoutout mga tropa natin. Michael, batiin si Michael.
Kel, shoutout
Kel,
sa'yo.
pang-apat na to.
Balita.
Kel, pang-apat na video na to. Asan ka na?
Picture
So-
ka pa rin.
Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo, no? So, abangan yung upload namin. At maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. Alright, peace!
Hindi naman sila yung hindi ka tatamaan. Tatamaan ka talaga. Tatamaan ka talaga. Tatamaan ka talaga.